Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class here converting unlike to unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. Here first of all, whenever my denominator is 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. Whenever my denominator is same, then here it is like fractions. Okay. Whenever my denominator is same, numerator is different. Okay. Here then it is like fractions. Okay. For unlike fractions, here 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 11, 8 by 13. Like this. Here it is unlike fractions. Okay. My numerator and denominator is different here. Okay, therefore here it is unlike fractions. Okay, in the like fractions the denominator should be same. For unlike, here denominator, here it is different. Okay, therefore we have to convert like unlike fraction into like fractions. Okay, let us take some examples to understand more. Okay, 3 by 4 comma 5 by 6, 1 by 8, 4 by 9, 7 by 12. Okay, here you have to, first step, here you have to take LCM for every term. Okay, here 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 12. Okay, you have to take the denominator and you have to find first LCM. Okay, here 2, you have to start from prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, these are my prime numbers. You have to start from lowest number. Okay, here I am starting from 2 because here even. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Here it is odd number. Okay, keep it same 9. Okay, next 2 6 are 12. Again starting 2, 2 1s are here odd number, 2 2s are 9, 2 3s are, again here I am taking 3 because here odd numbers are there. Therefore 1, 3 1s are 3. Again here it is even number, 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are 3. Again 2. Okay, again 3. Therefore my LCM is, you have to multiple these terms. Okay, till you have to solve 1 1 1. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2 3s are 6, 12 6 are 72. Therefore my LCM here it is 72. Next step 2, here in every term you have to convert 72 as my LCM. In denominator here it is 72. First here 3 by 4. Here if you multiple 18, 18 fours are 72. Therefore whatever you are multiplying in denominator, you have to multiply the same term in numerator. Therefore here it is 54. Similarly here next 5 by 6. Here in denominator LCM 72. Therefore if what you multiples 6, 4, 12. Okay, here 12 6 are 72. Whatever you are multiplying in denominator, you have to multiply in numerator also. 12 5 are 60. Okay, again 1 by 8. Here 72. 8 9s are 72. Therefore in numerator also you have to multiply. Okay, next here 4 by 9. Therefore here you have to write LCM 72. Therefore 9 8s are 72. Here also 4 8s are 32. Next 7 by 12. Here my LCM is 72. Here 6 12s are, therefore here 12 6 are 72. Therefore here 7 6 are 42. Okay, I am converting each and every term. Okay, now you have to take in order. Okay, 12 by here first 54 by 12. Okay, next 60 by 72. Here 9 by 72. Here 32 by 72. Last finally 42 by 72. These are my required like fractions. Okay, these are my required like fractions. I hope you all understood the example here. Okay, similarly we will move into next example. Here example 2. 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 11 by 15, 13 by 20. Okay, here it is clearly unlike fractions. You have to convert into like fractions. Here first step you have to do step 1, converting LCM for the denominators 5, 10, 15, 20. Therefore here it is multiple of 5. Therefore here I am taking prime number 5. Okay, prime number 5 I am taking. Therefore 5 1s are 5, 2s are 5, 3s are 5, 4s are again in 2. 1 1. Here it is odd number. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1 1 1. Okay, here it is odd number. Therefore I am taking 3 now. 1 1, 3 1s are 3. Therefore our LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10. Here 10 into 6, 60. Okay, our LCM is here 60. Next step 2, you have to convert every term by keeping as our LCM 60. Therefore 4 by 5. Here 12. Whatever you are multiplying in denominator, you have to multiply in numerator. Okay, 12 4s are 48. Okay, again 7 by 10. Here my LCM is 60. Therefore 6. Here also 6. 7 6 are 42. Next here 11 by 15. Therefore, our LCM is here 60. Here 15 fours are 60. Whatever you are multiplying in denominator, you have to multiply in numerator. Here 11 fours are 44. Again 13 by 20. Here 60 is our LCM. Okay. Here you have to multiple 3. 3 2s are 6, 0, 60. Similarly, you have to multiple in numerator. 13 3s are 39. Okay. Finally, you have to write 48 by 60, 42 by 60, 44 by 60, 39 by 60 are our required like fractions. Okay, like fractions in the sense here denominator should be equal. Here also 60, here also 60, here also, and here also. Okay, from unlike fractions to like fractions. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyawad.